For the foundation, the program can generate a slab, a full-height basement, crawl space, pier, or custom-style foundation. When you build the foundation, there is an option to have it automatically build and update as you change the first floor. For this foundation, I'll begin with a full-height basement using walls with footings. You can define the type of wall type, footing information, slab thickness, and other details. I'll use the default settings and set the stem wall height to 113 1/8 inches. Below you can see what the rough ceiling height will be, 109 1/8 inches. I'll choose to let the program derive the foundation from the first floor above. Once the foundation is built, the floor indicator changes to the new floor with the designation of 0 in the floor indicator. In a 3D perspective floor overview, you can see that the program automatically built a slab at the right elevation for the garage. Room types in Chief Architect, like garages and decks, aid in the model's construction. For this foundation, I'll extend the stem wall to create a partial basement with a crawl space area. For the crawl space, I'll double-click on the floor to open the room specification and change the stem wall height to 36 inches and remove the floor and ceiling platforms. It's easy to let the program generate the foundation, and then you can customize for your specific needs. To build additional floors, follow similar steps for building a foundation. For each floor, there are defaults that can be defined for the ceiling and floor heights and the structural platform details. In this example, I have a 14-inch joist between the floors. This is easy to change depending on your design. Once the floor is built, you can modify and add walls. To aid in wall positioning, I'll press F9 to display the reference floor from below. Chief Architect can build up to 30 floors. And you can copy, paste, and swap floors for multi-story developments.